You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. This is a word that does exist in the English language, but it was borrowed from French, as many words in English. Which is why there are different pronunciations that are used. For reference, the French pronunciation is galant, with a silent T. But in English, the most common pronunciation, British English, and which is also broadly used in the US, is as gallant. Okay, gallant. So that's your basis. But some pronounce it also as gallant. Gallant. Okay. I think especially in the US, so that pronunciation also exists. It's also referenced in dictionaries. So both pronunciations are used because it comes from French, and French doesn't really emphasize on any particular syllable. So I think both pronunciations have been used, gallant and gallant. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.